Morning YouTube, welcome back to Full Tilt Grading. It's Tuesday. Yesterday we got caught up in the rain, so we had an early day. Today guys, we're gonna be extending our buddy's driveway still. Still have to dig out to the white lines on the entrance of the driveway. 2 more loads of stone are supposed to be coming today. Who knows if they'll be here or not. They were supposed to be here last night and never showed up. Also guys, I want to give a shout out to Construction Trucks. We've been watching their channel pretty often lately. Check them out guys if you guys want to see all different types of equipment. So guys, let's get started. Well, we made some progress. Got the right side of where the trailer was parked all graded out. Also in front of the garage doors, it's all done. Now Ed's working on this area here, and we'll work the stone that we have. We'll put right in there, and then we'll dig out down there. We do have 1 more load coming. That'll make it 4 total. So Ed's got that 3rd load pretty much decked off. Now we're going to start digging out more topsoil and load it into the F550 here. see him. So down here, where we've been putting all this topsoil at, it's pretty much all graded up, except for what I just dumped today. Now, some of this dirt here that's here now, we're gonna take down to that field. We'll go down there in a second and dump off, kind of fill in some ruts, and then the rest of it, I'm gonna fill in this low spot here, make it blend together a little bit better. Then I have a little bit of grading to do in front of the fence there, and that's pretty much it. The customer's gonna seed and straw. The last load of stone was delivered. Ed's moving it around now. He has the rest of the driveway 100% done. It's looking really good. He's got the outsides all graded and blended to make it look better. And this one, guys, is all done. Got all the stone in. We tracked it in about as tight as we could without a roller. be lots of parking now. It'll be nice. Gonna haul both machines out of here today. No need to leave them here. We also got all the topsoil spread and graded out. Turned out awesome. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.